Alright, here we go. Gonna try and turn it over at least. I know it'll turn over, we don't know if it'll start. Kill switch is on! Kill switch is on! Definitely smells like gasoline. Definitely smells like gas. Throttle's in the back of the engine.
Can't find it.
What are you looking for?
Yeah.
Why are you like videotaping it?
Because it's the first start.
Ready? Hold on.
David, back up.
Alright, go ahead. Stop. Yeah. Car's flooded, so.